Hello all, welcome to my channel. Today we are making another delicious and unique recipe with only few ingredients. Chicken potato gravy. For this we will need half kg chicken, 4 to 5 potatoes, boiled, cooking cream, green chili paste, ginger garlic paste, garam masala, salt, black pepper and oil. Now, in a pot add the chicken and sauté for about a minute until the moisture is dried up. Add oil, salt as per your taste and black pepper powder. Close the lid and let it cook until the chicken is half done. Once the potatoes are boiled, peel and mash them. In a mixer jar, add the mashed potatoes, cooking cream, green chili paste, ginger garlic paste, garam masala powder. Grind them all together into a fine paste of thick consistency. Make sure you don't add water. Add this paste to the half-done chicken and give it a nice mix. Cover and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Finally add the cooking cream and garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves. Yummy chicken potato gravy is ready to eat. Serve it with butter naan. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to like and share. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the button below and help me grow. Your engagement means a lot. Keep looking at this space for more such unique recipe videos. Until then, keep cooking. Bye.